Martin Moreau with Van Al Windows. If you've got one of the older style vertical sliders that has the old, what we call block and tackle balance, it's actually very easy for you to replace it yourself, and the parts are very inexpensive. Now, they're covered in our warranty, but of course the warranty from back then doesn't last forever. So if it's ever beyond the warranty, you can literally come in, get the part for a few bucks, and replace it yourself. So let me show you how simple it is. So each side of the window has this little part here that I need to lift open, and that's going to catch the block and tackle balance to disengage it. I've got one on the other side. You might not be able to see it, but basically it's right there. So now what I do is I'm going to lift the window, and you're going to maybe even hear it disengage like a spring sound. Maybe you heard it, maybe you didn't. So now I'm going to shove the window far left or far right, and then it'll actually all come out. So I would take the defective balance, let's say it's this one that's broken. Right now it's not, it's under tension. And carefully I pull it down, and as you can see, it's on a bungee cord, and it's really under a lot of pressure. So if this was one that I was putting a new one in, you can see that's the little hook, right? And then basically I make sure that that hook goes on the bottom little hole that we've drilled in there. So I put it in there, and then holding it very carefully because it's under a lot of tension, I pull it down on the bungee, and then I put that little guy under there. Let's say that's the new balance I just put in, and that's ready to go. So now I take the window. Again, I have to put it in one side first. I have to make sure the window's up high. That's important. It's got to be above the bottom of this balance. I can't put it in down low. I put it in up high. I push it in, making sure not to get the drapes in there. And now I lower it, and you'll see now it's sitting on the balance. I push it all the way down. These have to be put back in on both sides. Okay, and then now it's free and clear, and voila, it's all done.